everyone! Today I want to teach you how to make fast and easy French toast in your microwave in a cup so that you can make it in your college dorm when you're broke and you only have ramen to eat. So our ingredients include cinnamon bread, an egg, butter. Wait, I can't believe it's not butter. Mother, why? Cinnamon. Milk. First step is to wash your hands. Make sure you get those wrists too. Alright, so for this you need 2 cups, a cutting board, and a knife. So get out your bread.
Oh man, they double packed that thing.
No!
What is this?
What is this? Alright. So you have your bread. You will need 2 slices of bread. Make sure you reseal that bread so it doesn't go stale. Alright. So you just want to cut it into small cubes.
You suck! What's these? You can't afford that in college. Oh, what is this? What? Oh, someone's learned how to use a knife. Oh, forgot to knock on wood.
Alright, so now that you've cut up your bread pieces, stick it in one of these mugs. Oopsie. 5-second rule. The next step is to put some butter in a mug. It doesn't have to be accurate, just... And you want to put this butter in the microwave to melt it. You should be good with 30 seconds. I hope that wasn't important. Let's see if it's ready. Ah, very good. So now you have your butter. Next, you want to crack 1 egg into your cup. April's cracking skills right there. Next, you want to put 3 tablespoons of milk into your cup. There we go. Very accurate. Next, you want to put a little sprinkle of cinnamon in. I think that's good. More, okay. That's good. There we go. And you want to whisk it all together. We're just going to use a fork to whisk this. Gotta break up that egg. And it looks like you are good. Alright. Next up is you want to pour your delicious mixture onto your bread. Just like this. After you're done with that, put your delicious mixture into the microwave for 1 minute. Camille, did you add more cinnamon to this? Make sure you put a paper towel over it so it doesn't splatter into your microwave. You can either use the quick minute or put 100 in. Press the start button. Be careful, the cup might be hot. And look at that. Let it stand for 1 minute to cool, and you have yourself a delectable cup of French toast.